Me and Miss Luana are heading to St. Louis, and we're crossing the Blue Bridge, leaving Owensboro. It's pretty exciting stuff. So, had my 7 a.m. mass this morning, and to California I go. So, hopefully y'all can see the Ohio River down there somewhere. All right. Arch. And we're crossing the river. Almost to the St. Louis train station. Fun business.
There's the stadium.
Yeah, which one?
Bush Stadium.
Bush, huh? St. Louis. And the traffic is crazy. Yeah, I can't remember if it's the Mississippi or the Missouri River that runs through here. So, I don't know.
Does it tell you?
No, I don't have that. That's in my Facebook where it tells me where I'm at, so. Here in the woods, the train had a little incident. A tree fell on the train and disconnected the air hoses and the power hoses, so we're waiting for them to get it reconnected. So, anyway, we're out here in the middle of nowhere. But I'd say they'll have it fixed in a few minutes. Look what happened to our poor engine. It got a tree in the windshield.
Yeah.
So, yeah, so we're here at Washington. They're going to send buses to come get us, to take us to our next stops, because they can't legally run the engine as it is. So, kind of sad, but oh well, we're safe. It's all good. So, over here is the station, I assume. All right. There we go.